Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is the 6th of November 2025, and we are ready to bring you the best trading show and trade live with you, as we usually do. Super excited for today, and obviously, as usual, I do have my co-host, Celine, and let's everybody give her a very warm welcome in the chat. Say, good morning, Celine, and we'll bring her on. Actually, you know what? I just thought I would bring her on, but apparently she's not on. So let me figure this out again. I'm Drew too again, guys. I'm producing. Okay, I'm the producer now. Just figuring out how to get her on. Where did you go? You know what?
Oh no.
This producing thing is just not for me, guys. I know that you can hear her, but you can't see her.
Oh, you guys can hear me? Mm-hmm. Good morning, guys.
I think so. I think they can hear you. I think they can hear you.
Good morning. Of course, it's not a stream with me unless we have a bit of technical issues, so bear with us.
I'm telling you.
I'm sure Nick's going to work it out. Just give us a sec.
I'm telling you, guys. Oh, God.
This just makes them think I'm more AI, like she's just a bot in the background.
You are AI. What are you talking about? Only an AI would say that they're not AI, you know?
I swear, guys, one day we're going to have an in-person stream and I'm going to prove it. I'm not a bot.
I don't think so. I don't think so. Chat, what am I going to do now? How am I going to fix this? Damn it.
Maybe you guys would just have my voice today.
Yeah, it looks like it. It sure looks like it. That it's just going to be voice mode Celine today. I'm trying to fix it, but
hey, at least it's not Robo Celine today. No Autobots. No Autobots.
Not yet.
Well, not yet. That's true.
Yeah, Graphene.
We never
Batman
know.
Drew 2. Batman Drew 2. Hell yeah. I like that. I like that. How am I gonna fix that? So the button that I usually click is the button that doesn't work.
Guys, do we have any OBS experts in the chat that would be willing to help us?
Well, as long as they can still hear you, you know, that's at
but
least
hey,
something.
That's true. That's true.
Chat. Anybody who's an OBS expert,
please
get us some help. Well, you know what, Celine? Just exit again and join back in, and then we'll see if that works.
All right, let's try that.
Oh boy, we're gonna fix it one day, chat. We're gonna fix it one day. It's gonna be smooth soon. All right, so I see her coming back. All right, Celine, you can hear me, right?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you're doing this thing again where you're
echoing.
Echoing, yep. I'll figure that out again. I thought I knew how to figure it out, but apparently I don't. Apparently I don't. So you're now back. You're on screen now. I figured that out.
These guys can see me?
Yeah.
Yay! Hi guys.
I just need to figure out how to get rid of the echo. Say something again.
Testing. Test.
Chat, is she echoing for you? Is she echoing for you, or are we good? It's a bit echoey now. Okay. 1 second. Talk again, Celine.
Thing. Test.
I think we're good.
Oh, no echo. Woo!
Cool. All right, let's do it. Chat, we got it. Drew 2.
That didn't take long at all.
Drew 2 is doing it again.
I think that was record timing, guys. In the first 10 minutes? Under 10 minutes? Let's go.
We're getting there, guys. Okay, we're getting there. Oh boy. All right. Let's get started and actually look at NQ really quick. On the daily, on NQ, what we got? I mean, yesterday we did sweep the low of Tuesday, and then obviously had this big push up, established previous day high at 25,879. And so far today we have an inside candle. Daily open was at 25,737. Went a little bit of an upwick and are now pushing down. Currently sitting at 25,640. Celine, what's your take on NQ right now?
Yeah, looking at the same levels. So we've swept previous day low. We've also still respecting that huge daily bullish fair value gap that you can see there. We've had that massive wick down yesterday, closed back inside. So for me, still looking bullish, goes in line perfectly what I wanted to see happen here. But today being an inside candle, we could go still any which way. We do have that bearish fair value gap above. It'd be interesting to see if we break previous day high and then what we do above there. But for now, for me, I'm still remaining bullish based off the daily. But
chat is saying, Rick is saying Celine's gain is high. Is Celine louder than I am, guys? Just double checking. She sounds like a robot. Well, she is a robot.
I can turn it down. Is this better?
I mean, for me, it was always fine. Oh, okay. So Peter's saying yes. Grafina's saying she's fine. Okay. That's okay. Weird. All right. So you know what? You know what? I'm gonna just add something here to make this very clear. On screen, 1 second. Where is that? There we go. Oh shit. Can I type? There we go. Cool. Perfect. Now we got that figured out.
So they can hear me, they can see me, they can see your chart, right?
Yeah.
You still can't.
Sometimes you just echo for fun. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I think you're just AI. That's what it is.
Yeah, it's just the robot in me coming out. Sorry, guys. I just noticed, Nick and chat, I missed an entry during all of that. It's an A+ setup, so I'm a bit mad now.
Yeah, technical errors for the win. I had that 2 days ago already.
That's all right. We might get another setup, but pretty much this is. I can talk you through it if you want me to just quickly go over it.
Go for it. I just tried to drink from a closed bottle, so I'm completely brain dead right now. So go
guys,
for
please forgive us today. Please forgive us. Just bear with us while we sort out our brains. So anyway, let me just quickly go through this. So we had sweep of previous 4-hour low, and then previous 15-minute low also swept. So that's when they're both in line, then I'm looking for my long setup. The long entry setup is an inversion fair value gap on the 1-minute chart. So you can see at the timestamp was 3:07. At the close of 3:07, it inverted the bearish FEG that was formed at 3. And then my entry is just a market entry, stops at the low, and then targeting 2R. So I would still be in this trade right now, but we'll see. So that's right. That's me playing like a reversal off the 4-hour sweep.
All right. Chat, let me know if volume is better with her. I'm actually gonna turn her down a bit on my end. 1 second.
Oh, am I really loud? Maybe I should just
apparently. Chat, how is it now? Celine, talk again, please.
Hello.
Yeah, you gotta say a bit more than that.
Testing. Hello. Maybe I should I sit back a bit?
No, they're saying it's better. Good. I turned you down.
Oh, okay. I think I was probably just too close to the mic. Sorry, guys.
No, you're good. All right. Oh, let's finally get into this. Let's get into this. Yeah, Drew is doing it. All right. I'm just gonna retire from streaming and I'll just be producer, guys.
Producer. Yeah. I mean, you've made it work. I don't know. Maybe you should look into that. If trading doesn't work out, just produce.
Well, it is already working out, fortunately.
True. That's true.
Fortunately.
But yeah, that's a clean setup that we just missed, guys. So we'll see. But yeah, definitely looking for longs in this session now because we have had the 4-hour low swept, and if there is another sweep of the previous 15-minute low happen, then I'll be looking again. But until then, we'll just wait. I
think we're first going to go to Asia lows, actually. Personally.
Yeah, I think it's much cleaner if we do sweep Asia low first, really.
Mm-hmm.
And I think Joker's in shorts, so I hope that for his sake. We go down there.
Well, we better. Joker gotta make some money.
Gotta make
So
some money.
chat, how did you end yesterday? Green, red, flat? What happened? All right, gold is about to take out Asia highs here. Let's see.
Smiley, so Smiley's asking what about the 4-hour FEG below Asia low? I don't use the FEGs when I'm looking for it to confirm like the long reversal now. As long as it sweeps, I get a sweep of the previous 4-hour low. That's enough for me. Then I'll be, once I get in alignment with the previous 15-minute low also, then I'll look for longs. But yeah, no need. I don't bring in FEGs or anything into that for my confirmation.
Actually, Alex, you made a good point. ES did sweep the low, Asia low. So we can take that into consideration. Like we have SMT on NQ and ES. I didn't even see that. Thanks for pointing it out.
I also missed that.
Yeah, Joker, be careful. Alex is right.
Yeah, that's clean. This is like an A++ setup, guys. How are we not in this?
Yeah, take it. You can still take it. 20 points stop loss.
Yeah. I gotta follow the rules. I'll wait if we get another setup.
Yeah.
Also, guys, there is no more Grand Cup account. I have to put it out there. We did sadly blow that one today, but that's all good. I wasn't being the most disciplined. I was sort of wanting to get ahead of the leaderboard, being that it's Thursday, being that there's not a lot of time left. I did sort of rush it, so I do apologize, guys. I did it. I blew it. But I hope you guys are still in it.
Speaking of the Grand Cup, let's actually pull this up really quick. I want to see like the top 200. What is the last person in the top 200? How much did they make?
And is Gary still in the league?
Well, he better be. I see a lot of people. Still see a lot of people with pretty good P&Ls. So to be in the top 200 right now, you need 12k in profit. 12k. My prediction is still that you need about 20k to be in top 200, but
to be safe, yeah.
Team Tradeify TV. Let's see. Now DJP is in the lead with 23k in profit. We got Gary second, and then Rebecca third. So hey, Rick, what's up, man? Rick, I see you there. 8th place. Gabby 10th. TJ Simple Trading 11th. Keepa 12th. All right, we got the OGs. The OGs
you guys
leading
are killing
this.
it.
Nice. That's awesome.
Oh, Birdie Trades. There's a few of you.
There's actually
nice.
Starting to look really good for shorts, Joker. I still like it, kind of.
Yeah, would I be break even now? No, it hasn't gone one hour.
Now you start echoing again. I don't know why that is.
What?
You echo with like a 3 second delay. I don't know.
Is that for everyone?
No, well, I guess so. Chat, can you hear echo?
Testing. Test. I don't know what it is.
You started lagging too, apparently. This must be internet connection. People are saying no echo. Oh, god damn it! Makes it even worse. I hear everything she says. I hear it twice with a 3 second delay.
Oh my god!
So she goes like, "Oh my god, what do you do? Oh my god, what do you do?"
This isn't gonna work. Should I leave and come back?
Hey, Celine. Yeah, leave and come back and put some headphones on, please.
Okay. Yes, boss.
All right, chat. As long as she's out, I'm gonna just go in normal mode here. Target trader trailing your stop. Nice. I know, Keepa. She is AI. It is true. She is AI. By the way, guys, like goal for today is 380. So if you haven't already, make sure you smack that like button's face. 380, and we're gonna do a giveaway. 50k growth account. All right, ES pushing down now, NQ pushing down, gold going up, gold back above 4,000, hell yeah. Nice. Gold coming all the way back up. Let's see. Ooh, the sun is now coming out as well. Nice. We surely enjoy that. Smilo, what are we trading? I mean, I trade NQ, ES, gold, sometimes platinum, silver, but right now I'm not in a trade, so I'm chilling. Just waiting for a setup. Waiting for setups. Antonio, no sun in Germany? Well. Andrew, yeah, I did trade oil in the past, but hey, oil, I hate oil. I'm telling you, oil is just not it for me. I don't know why. Just how it is. Carlos, am I bullish on NQ2? Right now, I'm not biased anything right now. Technically, we have a long bias for today, but I'm not sure. ES took out Asia highs, Asia lows already, and NQ did not. So maybe we get NQ to take out the Asia lows as well. I don't know. Let's see.
Hello.
Wasim says Nick Indian, please. I don't want to offend people. Okay, I would love to, but hey, you know we can't offend people. All right, Celine is back in the back end, so let's see if I can add her back in. 1 second.
Is there an echo?
1 second. No, you're good right now. Just give me a sec.
Okay.
Give me a sec. All right, chat. She's back on. Can you hear her?
Testing. Hello, hello.
Can you hear Celine? Let's see. She sounds fine to me right now. Yes, they can hear you. Great. All right.
Awesome.
Let's
All
go.
right, we're going to do it with headphones.
Yep, that sounds much better. The sun is shining, the sun is out, Celine is back, and it's clear, it's on screen, Celine is AI. We know that by now. Our AI character is back. All right, Celine, we are pushing down to Asia lows on NQ. What are your thoughts?
Yeah. No, it definitely looks like now I would have been stopped out in this trade, guys. So now I probably wait.
So the tech issues prevented you from taking a loss. That's good.
True. Oh, well, thanks to the tech gods then. They saved me. Send me a few hundred on this. But basically now I'd probably want to see Asia low be swept on NQ and then look for that reversal because we're just too close to it. We're just too close.
I would like for it to sweep as well. I mean, if we move lower than Asia lows and we don't just take it out, the next significant level is honestly this wick up here, this retest that we got yesterday at, what was that? Actually Wednesday, yeah, that was yesterday, 8:30 Eastern. So pretty much the 600 level. And then after that, we have previous day mid at 581. So that's what I have an eye on right now. But let's see.
Oh, yeah, I can see that.
We might also just sweep Asia lows and then move higher.
I
That's
would
why we
prefer
gotta be patient.
that. I can see there's a level, so that low that was made, I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, the 5th of November. The low there is 615. We've sort of made like an equal low with that, so which is the Asia low, and I feel like that could definitely be a draw in liquidity for the shorts to take out there. And then once we're there, I'd probably just wait to see how we react to that level now.
All right, we are double bottoming here for now. Actually, volume is pretty high too on the 5-minute candles right now, guys. We see about 900 in volume average, which is a lot because for London session usually it's like 600 on an average 5-minute candle. So let's see where this takes us. Richard, I am facing the sun. I actually have my shades down, but still sometimes it comes through. It's nice though. We don't get a lot of sun in winter, you know.
No ear-piercing today from the sun?
No what? Oh, the ear-piercing? No. Not today.
What's the weather like in winter there?
Cold, grey, and Sad.
Snowing?
Now, if you go to the mountains, it's really beautiful, like sunny and snow. That is great. But where I live in that city, it's like winter is very foggy and gray. So my girlfriend goes to the mountains a lot. I join her sometimes.
That's nice.
We do both. I snowboard, she skis. What's that?
Oh, you mean like in the snow you guys go? That's so fun.
Where else would you go snowboard?
I don't know. I thought you meant like hiking, like to up the mountains.
No, snowboarding and skiing.
Oh, cool. I've never tried that. I don't think I'd be that. I'm a bit too unco, I think, for the snowboarding. But I really want to try skiing.
Yeah, I mean, I think skiing is easier than snowboarding, like easier to learn.
Yeah.
But Nick Trader is asking, a great name by the way, is asking, do you think gold will sweep Asia high and go short? Not really, honestly.
Let me have a look at gold. Oh, gold's taking off.
Right now, gold is just in an uptrend, so having an eye on it though. We are double bottoming out. Joker, where do you have your stop? And where do you have your target for this short?
I feel like the next key level on gold would now be this level, this high that was Monday's high. That's probably where I'd be looking for it to go now. Might be a bit of a stretch.
Monday's high is what level?
That high is 4043.
Yeah, whoa, that would be a big stretch, yeah. I mean, the daily
like
so far.
Got the room.
It does. I mean, we could get there. The daily is definitely looking bullish, especially after yesterday. Swept Tuesday's low and was a nice bullish candle closure. I mean, it makes sense that today's another expansion day to the upside on gold. I agree with that.
If you zoom out, it looks like we've just swept and now we're in this V shape now. Sort of looks like the next level we could potentially reverse off. But I don't really look at gold much, but I feel like I should be. It just has much better moves lately than in London, than in the NQ, but we'll see.
All right, so Joker, is 63.50 your break-even stop, or what is that? Is that your full stop? Ola's Dots, good morning. You came in late. What did you miss? Well, you missed the tech issues, so you came in at the right time.
What else?
What else? No, Joker, that's full stop. Okay. Let's all pray for Joker, for NQ to come back down.
63.50.
Hey, good morning, Patrick. Good morning. Guys, make sure you smack that like button. We need 370 likes. No, 70. What did I say? 80? I can't even remember, guys. You're lucky. It's 370 now. Nah, it was 380. What was it? Damn it.
I didn't hear you.
Whatever. Smack the like button. By the way, we're 200 subscribers. 200 subscribers away from 60K subscribers.
60,000.
Yep.
Let's go.
So thank you, everybody. I said 380. Thanks for being honest. R6. So 380 likes, guys. Yeah, this looks like a clean double bottom. Or it's going to turn into consolidation. Let's see.
Because the thing is, we have had ES sweep Asia low, so at this point we do have SMT. You have to be careful,
I do kind of want a long ES if we get a 3-minute candle close through 6809 in 3 minutes here. Actually, in 2 minutes. Yeah, Evatronic, I'm with you there. I do like the longs. Hulk smash that button. Do it. What's that, Celine?
I was just saying I have to wait for another sweep for me, but it looks good. It definitely looks good for longs. Yeah,
well, with this 3-minute candle right now, it doesn't look good anymore. It literally, the only way how I take longs here is if this specific 3-minute candle closes above 6809. If it doesn't do that, then I don't have a setup. And that's okay too.
Well, there's a minute 30 left. You never know. There's a
never
lot of
know.
volume.
It could pump up 10 points right now. Who knows?
The market does what the market wants to do.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, Dom is saying, why does it say Celine is AI at the bottom? Does it actually say that?
Does it actually say that? What? Really? I wonder who put that there.
Oh my gosh, I just saw the YouTube. I didn't have the screen up, guys, and I was like, no idea what you're talking about. Oh my gosh, that is hilarious. People that don't understand the inside joke are going to be so confused. I'm a real trader.
They must watch more Tradeify TV, you know?
Yeah, you got to keep up with our tech issues.
Stormlord, when we say sweep the previous low, we mean just go tap into it, go below it, you know. But it could be just a wick. It doesn't have to close.
Yeah. And what is SMC? Smart money. When I talk about SMT, I think that's what you mean. Basically, it's a point where prices between two correlated. So when you've got two correlated assets like NASDAQ and ES, when one takes out a low and the other one doesn't, then we call it an SMT divergence. I'm pretty sure the SMT is just smart money trap. I could be wrong.
Smart money tool.
Tool. I think I've heard yeah. But basically the important part to note is that when two correlated assets, one goes lower than the other takes a low and one doesn't, that's called the divergence. So you'd be wanting to trade, for example, in this situation, ES has taken Asia low, whereas NASDAQ hasn't. So NASDAQ is clearly stronger. So you'd be wanting to take longs off that. But it's just it's something you can move for, something you can use for a confirmation in your trading. But I don't use it as like a reason to get into a trade as such. Just more of a confirmation.
Yep. Okay, we didn't get that 3-minute candle closure, so I'm not taking this long. I might if we get a 5-minute 5-minute change in state of delivery.
Yeah.
I do like that too. But I would take it on ES because ES did take out the Asia low.
Yeah, that makes sense. I just prefer, for me, I'm always trading NQ. For me, I just don't have the best experience with ES. I feel like it never has as clean a move, but that's just for me. So if we close above this, so change in state in the 5-minute on ES would be that like call it 809 level.
809. Yeah, that would be the change in state of delivery if we close through that.
Yeah.
Ooh, Joker, you might still get your short. That was nasty. Nasty NASDAQ. Back at it. Hell Saint is asking, Celine, what's your bias?
Bias is definitely bullish. If we go to the daily, I'm bullish on the daily also because we are continuing to respect this bullish FVG that was left, if you can see also from Friday the 24th. So we're still respecting that. We have the massive wick that we left yesterday, sweeping that previous day low, holding that level, and today being an inside candle. Yes, it could go either way, but I'm still remaining bullish based on the fact that we've respected the daily bullish FVG. And then also just trading intraday in the London session today, we've swept already Asia low on ES, and we've got SMT there, and we've also swept previous 4-hour low. So for me, all signs look to longs, and I won't be taking shorts, that's for sure.
All right.
What about you, Nick? You also looking for longs, yeah?
Yeah, but right now we're just consolidating, so I'm not looking for anything.
It's not really doing much at all.
This is ugly. Literally since
I really
London
don't want to
Open,
have the same day as yesterday.
We literally just consolidated since London Open, and think about it this way: the price range, total London range so far on NQ, is only 29 points. So Not a fan.
Not a fan. I really hope it doesn't just chop around again today, guys, because I haven't been trading my I want to get these evals passed already. Want to get them to funded and then hopefully a payout, but it just hasn't been the best price action for me. I think
Yeah, no, this isn't the greatest right now. I agree. Quiet says, good morning, Nick. What do you think about a 1-to-1 hour strategy with a high win rate around 70 to 75%, but with only 5 to 12 setups per month? Well, how much of a win are we talking about? 5 points, 10 points, 20 points, 30 points, 50 points? How many points are we talking about? In general, I have nothing against that. Like 75% on a 1-to-1 hour. I mean, great. You're gonna bank.
Yeah, exactly.
You're gonna make good money. Yeah, TL, I
and
think so
5 to 12
too.
setups, I'd say, is a good amount.
What's that?
I was just gonna say, in terms of like amount of setups, I think that's fair. 5 to 12. I think like if you can get like at least 1 to 2 per week, like clean A+ setups, I think that's fair.
Yeah. Bull trader, you might want to make sure once you hear this message, because you're going to hear this in like 10-15 minutes, that you press the live button on YouTube, because you're not watching live.
Oh,
He's still giving answers to if they can hear you, you know.
Thanks though.
Yeah, if we don't push through here to the downside, I mean, I would personally on NQ chat. I'll make this bigger so you can see it. Personally, I would prefer this: sweep Asia low and then move higher. That would be a setup I would love. Ideally, sweep it before 9 a.m. UK time and then have a bullish candle 2 closure on the hourly, higher than 643. That would be my perfect scenario for longs.
Yeah, that would be good. I also would prefer, if I was to get into longs, to let's just take Asia out first, and then go long off that. But the system says if we do get a sweep of the previous 15, I can look for long entries, even if it doesn't take out Asia. It's just that it probably would be a cleaner trade if we went all the way and took out Asia lows first. What do you prefer to trade, New York or London?
Honestly, by now I like both. For a very long time I was only focused on London, but New York moves nicely. Can't lie about that. Can't lie about that. What about you?
I feel like
for you it's a time zone thing as well, right?
Yeah. But when I'm in Bali, I can absolutely trade New York. But I must say, I think although there's less volume in London, I think my system plays better in the London session than in New York.
Yeah.
I don't know. Sometimes I feel like New York can like take out the highs, act like it's making a move, and then it just goes back and takes out that high again. And sometimes that's where I'm getting stopped out because I take reversal trades. So sometimes it's not always the cleanest. But yeah, obviously, if you're shorting in New York, you're always going to get quick moves. So yeah, I think I prefer London. Robert says, Celine, we won't taunt you if you lose a trade like we did, Nick. Thanks to Robert.
You must know something, Celine, about Robert. Robert tends to fade me a lot. Like I think literally every other day he's like, "Oh, I just faded you."
So he just got it out for you. I get it. Well, Robert, look, I don't have a problem if you want to fade me, but we will see. I know I definitely am going to lose trades on here, guys, but I mean, if it's my first loss, just be nice.
Hey, Iringal is asking, how does it feel like to be the second best trader of London session, Nick? Well, look, you know what? I don't think I'm the second best. I don't think I'm the second best trader of the London session. I think there are many traders that are better than me. All I know is I'm making a fuckload of money and I'm very happy with that. So I don't care if I'm number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. All that matters to me is that I make money. Joker, yeah, you're a poor guy, man, for this trade right now. This is a coin flip. At this stage, this is a coin flip, honestly.
My break-even point is 27. Just go there for a second. Oh, has your break-even been tapped? 27. Wait, what?
No.
We haven't
If it taps 27, he's
oh,
gonna
he'll go break-even.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
Em and Celine, do you only trade this? What?
The robot said Darth Vader. I like that. Robert, from now on, you're gonna be Darth Vader. Robert, you should change your username to Robert P and then dash Darth Vader.
That's so good. I'll answer. Sorry, Emma. Do you only trade this strategy, or do you also trade other strategies? I trade another model in New York that is slightly different, but still a form of reversal using ICT concepts. But this one is just something I trade only in London. That's only because I haven't. I didn't get the same results as I did in testing in New York, so I decided to stick to just trading it in London.
That's fair.
I'm big on like the data and statistics, you know.
You know what, chat? Look at this. NQ, ES, and YM are in sync right now. That is very rare. That they're all doing the exact same thing is very rare. That's why you gotta be patient right now.
Really going nowhere. Yeah, this is just like hands off the mouse for me. Like, unless we get that sweep, I'm not getting involved.
Yep. Paul, what's the fair value gap indicator I use? I use FVG/IFVG by nephew Sam. It's a free indicator. I just tweaked the settings a bit for my liking, but besides that, it's just this.
Corey says, Celine, totally agree. I love to take reversal plays while scalping, but in New York, that's what happens to me. Fakes in profit and immediately goes back in the same direction, killing my stop loss. Yes, 100%, Corey. And then when they take us out, it ends up making them move. I feel like that happens so much in New York, but yeah, I definitely have to learn also to take the second setup. Sometimes, you know, when you get a quick stop out and then your setup forms again. I mean, for me, I have a rule, no more than two losses a day. So if I've taken that first loss, that's totally fine. And if I get a clean second setup in New York, I should be taking it, but I will get better at that. Joker, are you still in this?
Yeah, he's still in this. His stop is 63. He's a poor guy. Being in this for 40 minutes already, that is tough. That is tough.
Wait, I think also...
Tradeify, the light goal is 380.
If I had been in that setup that I called out before, I think it actually never swept that low, swing low. I think I would also still be sitting in this.
Well, it would be ugly, but you would be in for longs and he would be in for shorts. So chat, that's
we would have
that's
been
how
fading
you see.
each other.
Like, trading is everybody looks at the same thing but sees something different. This on the 1 minute must look super ugly. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I look at. I'm looking at the 1 minute.
Range traders are loving this right now. Literally short from 50 down to 35. 15 points up, 15 points down.
And then buy it back up again down here. Yeah. Is anyone in longs?
Well, if we get an hour candle close, I will enter longs.
I think Dennis is in longs from 633 NQ. Nice.
Yeah, Graphene as well, Taco Trader as well.
Nice. Sebastian, Giuseppe, Suaz.
Nicola, I saw your comment there that you just retraced. I know you meant to say AI. Why am I talking to AI? You know, it's fun. I was lonely as a London host, just me, and I thought, hey, let me just bring on an AI host. That would be pretty cool, right? So now we have.
And look, guys, he made me wear white. He actually made me wear white.
I can choose everything. You know, it's like AI created this. I called her Celine.
Creation. So make me win, Nick.
Thank you, Wachike. I'm very pretty, thank you.
Oh, Suriluki. Suriluki with the question.
Yeah. Oh, Suriluki, now you're not even asking me anymore. You just go straight to Celine. Okay, Suriluki. Okay. You know what? I don't know, man.
You're no longer important.
No, it seems like it's so
to
Celine, what is it?
answer, I had a really nice lunch. I was out for lunch and I had a focaccia that was with rocket, roast chicken. It was like Italian focaccia. It was so nice. Really good.
That sounds good. Suriluki, you want to know what I had for dinner last night?
Yes, Nick, tell us. Wait, can we guess?
Of course. Take a guess.
Steak with ketchup?
Hey.
Or no?
Who do you think I am, huh?
Steak with ketchup? That sounds like a Nick kind of...
Why would I do that? I'll put it on the screen here, chat. This is what I had. I'll make it bigger. Here you go. How do you like that, Celine?
I can't see it yet. Wait, I can't see it yet.
Make sure you hit the live button.
Wait, no, that's not real. Is that actually you?
Yeah, that is
I can't tell
actually
you serious. Steak with the ketchup.
Hell yeah, guys. Steak with ketchup. Let's go.
What are we going to do with him, guys? What are we going to do?
Well, nothing. Just going to appreciate the greatness of steak with ketchup.
I don't know. I don't know if I'll ever warm to that, but...
Well, you've never tried it, so you can't participate in that discussion.
I mean, I'm all for it on those chips. Like, drown it. Drown those chips in that sauce, but not the steak. Keep it away from the steak.
You've never tried it, though. Keepa, it's actually funny. Like, I posted this into the Tradeify team chat yesterday, and then everybody was like, that looks like some dark colored ketchup. But you know what it is, actually? I was thinking about it, and it's funny, like, the US ketchup has so much artificial colors in it that it's like bloody red. Ketchup here isn't that color because we don't have artificial colors in it. Like, ketchup here is actually, funny enough, it's actually way healthier than US ketchup.
I'm kind of not surprised.
Yeah, right.
And your mustard probably isn't like bright yellow and stuff.
Corey, would I put ketchup on A5 Wagyu? No, I would not. I don't like Wagyu at all. Like, it's too fatty for me. I don't like fatty meat.
I don't think I've ever had like a steak.
You never had it? I mean, I can't recommend. Can't recommend. Suriluki, do you play squash today? Suriluki, you know me by now, man. You know me. I do play squash today. It's kind of scary that you know.
Hey Roki, sorry I forgot to answer your question before, but Celine, after the 4-hour candle sweep, which 15-minute candle do you wait for sweep? So just the previous, any of the previous. So right now, like, we're in the current 15-minute. As soon as we get a sweep of the previous 15, then I look for longs. That's the system I made.
I'm starting to like the longs here. Sorry, Joker.
Yeah, I know, poor Joker.
Yeah, Suriluki, definitely sushi today. Free sushi, because I'm gonna win that squash battle again. Actually, stats update on squash, Suri. Currently, between my friend and I, the score is I won 67 times and he won 40 times. So he paid 27 times more for lunch. Haha. And he's gonna do one more today. Hopefully.
What's this, squash?
Yeah, squash.
And that's the one where you hit it against the wall, right? And then like...
Yep. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, yeah. I know what I'm talking about. I've never played that.
Suri, not 67-14, 67-40. But still, 27 more wins, okay? Like, I mean, take into consideration, our average lunch when we go eat sushi is like $80 Swiss francs, so like $100
Damn.
US. So he paid $2,700 more than I did.
What sushi are you having? Is that like sashimi in that? Or is that just normal?
Just welcome to Switzerland, you know.
Damn.
Switzerland is expensive.
That is expensive.
I definitely want to try pickleball. Pickleball sounds looks fun. Never done it, but if I'm in
So I was
Hawaii,
looking
I'll
this up.
hit you up.
I was looking this up the other day. Like, what is the actual difference between pickleball and paddle? Can anyone tell me?
Yeah,
Because
pickleball is a
I thought they were the
a
same.
smaller. No, it's a smaller playing area, and also you don't have walls around it. Paddle, you have glass walls around it, and you can use those walls to hit the ball against it.
Yeah.
It's kind of like paddle
And
is a mix between squash and tennis, and pickleball is like a small tennis kind of thing.
Okay, and why do they call it pickleball? Like, is the ball bounce different or something?
Yeah, the ball is kind of like it's kind of like a land hockey ball, you know?
Oh.
Kind of similar. All right, NQ is pushing up here. ES as well. I do really like that. On the 5 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, this is going to turn into a nice bullish setup once we have this hourly close in 11 minutes. So I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for that until it happens. The change in state of delivery would actually be once we close through here, which is the 25,674 level. Once we get a candle closure through here on the 5 minute, we have that change in state of delivery. So the only thing we need to wait for is the hourly close, and then we can take longs.
Looks good. I hope I don't miss this. I'm going to have to wait for a retracement to sweep one of the 15-minute lows, and then I'm going to get in. But I hope it doesn't take off.
Yeah. Hey, sorry,
This is
Joker.
sometimes the... Oh, sorry, go.
I was just saying sorry, Joker, for his stop loss being hit.
Oh, damn. 30% of my size, so 100. You'll get it back, Joker.
Yeah, I mean 100 is easy peasy for him. Easy peasy.
All right, Corey, I'll have to go try it then, because I do like a good steak. Melts like butter. That sounds so good.
No, but it's too fatty. I just don't like it. So much fat on Wagyu.
I kind of like when steak has a bit of fat. Like, that's all the flavor.
No, the flavor is the ketchup.
No. Well, let's not go there. I'm not in the mood.
You don't have a mood. You are AI. So.
I don't have a heart. I don't have a soul. I'm just whatever you make me. But then that's strange. Then why don't I like ketchup on steak? Strange, isn't it?
Yeah. Abort. Delete this.
You
AI.
coded me wrong.
Wrong prompt. All right, we got the push through that level. Now we need a candle closure on the 5 minute. Once we get that, we need the hourly to close, and then we're good to long this.
Well, I hope you
can
get
we
a
still? We always start talking at the same time. Nice. Go ahead.
No, I'm done. You go.
All right, Theodore, can you still join the Grand Cup? Yes, you can until tomorrow. So make sure to sign up right now if you haven't already.
There's people that were in longs from 633 who must be killing it, or at least taking profit.
If they're still in this. I mean, I saw Taco hit his TP plus 18 points. Nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Pretty much bought the bottom.
Yeah. Well, no, he caught 18 points. Not like from the bottom.
Oh, no.
If you would have caught that from the bottom, you would have made like 40 points.
It's pretty good for London.
It is. Chat, remember, we need 380 likes, so make sure you smack that like button. Right now, there are 390 people watching, so 380 likes is very, very doable. You just gotta smash the like button, and then we're gonna do a giveaway for a 50k growth account.
Hidden ancient enigmas. I'm holding this long all day. Look, that's not a bad idea, but as long as you you must at least be break even by now. I think then why not go for it? Shoot for the stars.
Not necessarily. I mean, he can hold it, but it just takes guts.
Well, I mean, if you go break even at this point, at least a little bit in profit, then it's nothing. You're risking nothing. Ready B says Celine's charts. We can't get my charts yet, guys. Hopefully, fingers crossed tomorrow. Hope
Hey,
so.
Kevin Bebesita, I'm from Switzerland, okay?
What was that?
Business Lens, yeah, well, read his comment and then you know. Business Lens, how is your 0 to Hero challenge? Didn't take a trade today yet. I'm sitting at $1,250 in balance. Rick, what do you mean what happened to Mr. Producer? I'm the producer. I'm Drew too. I'm the captain now.
Pyramid Celine, for your setup, would you wait for a 50-minute low sweep and then look for a 1-minute inversion, or do you use other timeframes for inversions? I do. I wait for, so in this case being long, I wait for the 50-minute low sweep, and then I get the first 1-minute inversion that happens after that. During that, it has to still be within that 15-minute candle though. Like if it doesn't happen in those 15 minutes, and we move on and we wait for another sweep. It basically works. It's trying to play on like the PO3 AMD system. So like we have the manipulation, then I'm hoping to get like an inversion to then go long off and with momentum. But yeah.
And by the way, producer jokes aside, Damien is back tomorrow to produce. He just figured out some stuff in the back end today.
Nice. Graphene, you must have hit some nice profits on that. Stepped out on the long.
Gene.
Papa Brett.
Says, Nick, tell Papa Brett the London stream desperately needs some IT love. Hey, we're working on it, Gene. We're working on it. Papa Brett is taking care of it. Don't worry.
Papa Brett is a bit busy right now too.
He's always busy. He has many kids by now. We're about, what, 60? I don't know.
There's a lot of us now.
Too many kids for Papa Brett to take care of.
Graphene, let's go. $100 on that trade.
Hey, get some sushi. So, Celine, now I wonder, how much is sushi where you live?
Oh, okay. So like in Australia, but what, like, because sushi for us is like a takeaway. You can get it like at the shopping center. You could get like a hand roll for maybe $3 million.
That is shit quality sushi. I mean, like you actually go to a restaurant and eat sushi.
At a restaurant, probably like for a plate of sushi. Well, don't quote me because I haven't actually gone out since I've been in Melbourne for sushi. It might have gone up, but I reckon you could get a plate for like, I'm gonna say $20 for a plate of sushi, Australian dollars. But now I want to check.
So it's kind of like half the price of ours.
Let me check. There's a nice one. Let me just check near me how much they charge.
And now you can save £50 per person. Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
Oh wait, no, it's way cheaper. Oh, yeah, it's about like $18, $16. So what's that in
and
US?
You would have enough by eating that?
No, that would just be like a plate of sushi. For me, I like to get sides. So if you were to go out, you could probably spend, I don't know, 60 Australian dollars.
Okay. Yeah, well, but it also depends. It also depends, of course, what place you go to. I guess this would be like a normal sushi place. I guess not like a fancy.
Oh, this isn't. Yeah, this isn't like Nobu or anything. But
okay. Yeah, I guess like the one we go to is also just like a normal sushi place, nothing special. I mean, Nobu is a different league.
Have you got Nobu in Switzerland?
No, unfortunately not. But whenever I'm in a city where it has Nobu, I'm hammering it. It's great. I love Nobu.
It's good. We've got it in Melbourne.
Yeah, expensive but good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Definitely expensive. So we didn't get that close. You're still waiting for.
I still
5
wait for
minutes.
the hourly close and 5-minute close. So I could see this happen in the next 2 minutes actually. If we get this 5-minute close, I will enter the long straight away.
Yeah, I can see that.
Stop below the fair value gap. The 5-minute fair value gap. So.
Yeah, nice.
Let's see, shall we?
Do you have like specific rules for your stop placement? or is it like a set fixed
Yeah,
amount
I
of
just
point?
look at market movement at certain points of interest. In this case, we tapped into this fair value gap and are now pushing out of it. So if we get a nice bullish candle close and that confirms the change in state of delivery, I will just put my stop below that, because then I will have about a 20-point stop, and that will be great.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Hey, 6. Well spotted. Thank you. Gotta switch over to NQ. You are right. Oh, I would have been so pissed if I would have taken like a 1 MNQ. That would have been the worst. Chat, that's why I love you guys. You always spot these kind of things.
I know, they're on the ball today. I feel like I need to be more focused.
Yeah, you know, it's not easy when you look at the chat, when you look at I'm producing on the background, in the background, then also looking at charts, looking at setups, talking to you guys. Takes a lot.
Yeah, I'm still getting used to it. I'll get there. It's just like a lot of screens, and then I don't want to miss any of your questions, guys, in the chat. So sorry if I do miss you, but I will get better.
25 seconds left on this candle. J-Man Trades, yes, giveaway at 380 likes, so make sure you smash the like button. There are over 400 people watching, so it should be easy to do. You just all got to smash the like button. All right, this looks good for
and
longs,
not the
guys.
heart button.
In 5 seconds.
Oh,
But only if we get the close. We didn't get it. We didn't get it.
Hands
So
off.
I'm waiting for another 5-minute candle. I need to close through this level first. Need to get the close through 73.50. Once I get that, I will take longs, but didn't get it on that one.
That's good. Follow the system. I have to wait. I'm waiting for a sweep of 647.50, and if we don't go all the way down there, then I'll wait for the next 15 and so on. And that's how it goes. And until we get there, I'm just gonna hands off.
Gotta be patient and wait. That's how it works.
Ozempic Slim pretending to be overwhelmed by data like a human. So cute. Guys, I don't know how else to prove that I'm human. I'm real.
Well, I mean, it says on screen that you're AI, so there's no way you can prove that you're human. I mean, just
Damn it.
Oh boy. Giuseppe asking, Nick, why that level and not the 6809? What are you talking about? 6809. Like I'm on NQ, not on ES. I'm assuming you're talking about 652 on NQ. Well, the reason why is because we didn't make a new low here, right? So the swing low is equal on these two. So I'm looking at the first one, and the first one has its change in state of delivery once we close through the 73.50 level.
Future
Nice
here
push
is
now on
asking, NQ Asian high and low hasn't been swept yet. Asia low has been swept on ES, but
Yeah.
Asia highs is still intact and NQ Asia low is still intact. So there is a divergence happening right now with the Asia low. That's why I like the longs on NQ.
Yeah, target on NQ for longs would be daily open, 738. So I'll go a little bit lower at 735 for me personally. Bitcoin.
Wait,
do we see your comments? Yes, we do. $285 likes, guys. You gotta do better. We need 380. Smack the like button.
Guys.
Come on. It's free. It's fun. It takes a second
Fun
to do.
button.
It gets you a 50k growth account, potentially.
But it's not the heart button, by the way. If anyone's been hitting that heart button, that's not the like button.
I'm gonna press that heart button now, just for shits
anyone
and
didn't
giggles.
know.
If you see the hearts popping
Yeah,
up
look,
in the
not
bottom right,
that.
that's me.
Guys, not that. No. Don't do what Nick's doing. Yeah, you guys don't want an account, it seems like.
No.
I'd be smashing the like button.
Bitcoin, that's not true. That is not true. But you gotta ask a question for me to respond. I mean, your previous comment was literally, I couldn't do it, not yet, not experienced enough to multitask. What do you want me to say to that? I'm not going to say anything to that.
Sorry,
Literally,
Bitcoin. I will maybe just ask you a question and we can go from there.
Look, I just pulled up the chat history for Bitcoin. Look, here you go, Bitcoin. This is what you said today. You said, good morning. Good morning, AI Celine. Echo sometimes, maybe it's just the internet. EU has better food. Okay, I couldn't do it, not yet, not experienced enough. And then you asked, you guys see my comments, and that's what I responded to. Of course, dude. What the hell do you expect me to do, man? Oh, I got those receipts, guys, okay? Always.
Sheesh. Guys, don't come for Nick today.
Never. Not today.
Never.
MMXM, you got scammed yesterday? What happened?
What happened?
All right, here's the problem I have with this long. I'm still gonna take it, but I don't like that we're gonna long it right into beep up.
Beep up. That word.
Ozempic says, Dear Nick, please never show my comment history. Thank you. All right. Ozempic, your
well, we
history
got to
will
get it up
be-
now.
Yeah, we
Now we're
kind of
gonna
need to
plaster
get
it
it up now.
everywhere.
I'm gonna take this long, guys, here in 12 seconds.
How big's your stop gonna be? The same place?
No, like 30 points below the swing low.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, I'm in this long, risking $600, and target is gonna be 735.
Well, I don't want it to go without me, but good luck. I sort of want it to come back down.
Thank you. Let's see. It's a bit of a bigger stop, but hey, it is what it is. The trade looks too perfect to not take it. And we're getting that nice push now. We're up 10 points. The only thing I'm a bit concerned about is this 708 level. So I really need to see the push through 708 pretty fast. Once we close through 708, I will move my stop break even if we get there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's some definitely rejection there, but it looks clean.
Well, Bitcoin, the comment only needs to end with a question mark if it's an actual question. Don't know if you knew that, but.
Andreas asked, do you guys usually trade more during London session or New York session? I trade both. At the moment, I'm in Australia, so like New York is totally off the... not an option for me to trade New York. But in terms of setups, I trade London a lot more. Definitely get more setups in London. What about you, Nick?
Pretty much, I would say the same amount of setups during London and New York. I get like usually 1 to 2 setups per session.
Okay.
Yep. So chat, this just to reiterate, like 25,691.75 was my entry. Stop is at 61.75 and target is 735. So I'm going for a 44-point target. It's looking nice so far. We're up 15 points. Waiting for a close through. Waiting for a close through 708, 709. Once we get that close on a 5-minute, I will move break even. Yeah, it would have been so nice if I got this 5-minute candle closure down here at like 75.
Yeah.
I would be up 30 points right now. Well.
Yeah, this is a clean move. Also, for anyone that was in those longs from before, this is like, you'd be killing it. If anyone is still holding.
Hey, wait, Joker, you made 750 now? Confirm, please.
Oh, maybe he flipped.
Yeah, maybe he took the long.
Oh, hey, Leah's in the chat. Hey, Leah.
Nice, Joker. So Rasmus says, Nick, you have to explain yourself. You were our flag carrier in the cup. So what's with the FOMO chase? You clearly explain to us almost every single day on stream. Better have a great answer. I do have a great answer for you. So I went for greatness or darkness, and I ended up in the darkness. I wanted to be in the top 10.
Yeah.
But
I
I
also
also want to focus on my accounts here that make me money.
gave into the darkness.
Yeah, Miriam as well. Miriam got
That's
toasted
not-
yesterday. It's the only person that still is carrying. Actually, two. Rebecca and Matt. They're still in it, and Rebecca is like number 4, so she's doing great.
Yeah, she's killing it. I'm riding on Rebecca. I wish we could like bet on who's gonna win. I make money on that.
I mean, we can do side bets.
Yeah, we should. Guys, it's so hard though. Like when you wake up and the leaderboard is like jumped another like 20k or something, it's like so hard.
Yeah, it's madness. Like some people are going crazy in the cup. 315 likes, guys. We need 380. Come on, smack that like button. I don't want to repeat myself. We want to give you a free account, but you gotta work for it.
I know, come on.
Well, technically, then it's not free if you have to work for it. But hey, you get the point. Just smash the like button.
Steven, Jesse, Josie, are you in the trade? No, I'm not. This isn't my setup hasn't happened yet, so not in a long yet. But I really hope for me to get involved, I need to come back and sweep a previous 15-minute low. So at the moment, that level is on NQ about 690, and I really don't want that to happen for Nick. So we will see.
Yeah, Andrea, you caught me with that one. She said, don't worry about the leaderboard, chat. Just be in the first 200. Yeah, I said that all the time. That's what you should do. Don't be me, okay? All right, we did get the close through this level, so I am going to move break even. Worst case, we make 20 bucks. 20 bucksies. My stop is now sitting at 92.75, $20 in profit, 1 point. Because I don't want to see a rejection here of the 710 level.
It's also on the 15 minutes, also a bearish FVG for me. It's a potential level we could retrace off. Where's your TP at?
TP 735.
Okay, nice.
So we're about halfway there.
So almost daily open, kind of.
It is 3 points lower than daily open, because daily open is the target. But whenever I have a target, I go like 3 to 5 points lower than the actual target. Yeah.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I don't want to be like, I don't want to be a dick for a tick, and like I rather miss out on 3 more points rather than missing my target by like a half a point, you know.
Yeah, me too. I also do that because sometimes like Enki will just make those like equal lows and not take out the high or the low, and it's just like that kills me. Hate when that happens.
Hate when that happens.
Mike, Celine, how many setups do you average per week? Oh, it really depends. This week has not been nice for my system. I had one good trade. When was my first session with you guys? That was pretty much my only trade this week. One on Monday, I think. But generally, like when I think normally during the year, I probably have could have like five to six good trades in the London session a week, I think. Yeah.
RC, I don't understand your question. I don't get it.
What she means by NQ will turn back in 15 minutes at a guesswork, or she able to read it somewhat? Oh, I think because I said to him that I said before that the 15-minute bearish FVG, I said it's a potential level that we could see price react to and reverse off. But no, I'm not a market maker and I don't know what's going to happen next.
Well, she's AI, so she knows exactly what's going to happen.
True, actually. Maybe I'm just lying to you all.
Yeah, she's lying.
What do they say? The ghost behind the machine. It's me.
Once we reach 725, I'm going to trail my stop below the current 5-minute candle. If we reach 25.
Nice,
saying
Leo.
half Aussie, half AI.
That's a good idea, Leo. Removing 10% of the TP. Smart.
Joker. Joker said, if this hits TP, you invite me for dinner. I just decided that. Well, Joker, how about no? How about you invite me for dinner? Because you just made 700. I didn't make shit so far. This is still...
Damn, that's like...
This is still play money.
700 in Switzerland is like, what, one drink?
Almost.
Almost
Bitcoin
like...
says, nice trade, Nick, question mark. All right, that's our new insider now, Bitcoin. Let's go for it. Thank you. Giuseppe, $400 across 15 accounts.
Nice.
Wait, $400 across 15 accounts or $400 on all 15 accounts? That's a different scenario.
I'm reading it as 400 on each account.
Yeah, I'm assuming that's the same.
Killed it.
Nice. Giuseppe, you made a good money. Get yourself a pizza. 7:21 now. Once this 5-minute candle closes, I'm gonna trail my stop. I was aiming for 7:25, but I don't like that we're not moving, so I'm gonna just trail it to the low of this 5-minute candle, actually 1 point lower, so 7:07 is my stop. Worst case, we make $305 on all the accounts. Trading it with 0 to hero account as well as 5 funded accounts right now.
This has been such a clean move, but I have to call out Tato on that. He said, I just rode that long move from the bottom, 2.5K over 3 accounts. That is insane.
Wait, what?
Tato in the chat, I just rode that long move from the bottom, 2.5K over 3 accounts.
Oh, nice. Sick, Tato.
And he's just like, yay.
This is the same as when people win giveaways and they're like, yay. Or they say,
yay.
Hello. Hello.
2.5K over 3 accounts is like, you don't have to trade this week anymore. It's insane.
I mean, cheese balls, do I think we can go up to 25,771? Yes, we can, but it's likely to consolidate or retrace once we reach daily open at 738. So for me personally, that's why I set my target at 35. But it's possible, yeah, absolutely.
Nice. Ahmed Juice is my personal daily profit hit. Well done. Everyone's eating in the chat. Everyone is cleaning up on these longs. Except for me. This is the thing about my system. Sometimes on these days where price just runs and we don't get those retracements, I just miss out. But
that's okay.
Let's play the system.
That is definitely what you need to do. The system is
play the game.
So we did tap into 725, so I would have traded my stop here anyways. Now the question is, are we going to get the follow through to TP or am I going to be stopped out first? If I get stopped out, I will make $305. If I hit TP, I will make $865. But if we get another bullish 5-minute candle close here and we don't hit TP yet, I'm going to move my stop below this 5-minute candle to 718. So let's see.
Oh, you know what? If I had taken that trade, if it wasn't for the tech issues, I would have easily hit the target because it never actually took that low. I would have just been like still in it by like a tick.
But it would have spooked you out as well. It would
have
been, oh no, oh shit, oh yes.
Oh, no.
It would have been an emotional roller coaster down there.
How long I would have been in that? Let's see. Oh,
it's a good old,
would have been
good old would have, could have, should have.
Yeah. Like 45 minutes. No thanks.
Thanks, but no thanks.
Where are we on the like count?
Let me refresh really quick. We are sitting at, I hope we make it today. We're at 357. We need 380, guys. So 23 more likes. We have 12 minutes to go.
Come
so.
on.
All right, nice push. Now I'm going to trail my stop. Worst case, we make 520, but this is going to reach TP. There we go. Nice.
Ooh.
8:59. Guys, you know what that means. Money gun time.
Money
oh shit,
gun.
it doesn't work. It doesn't work. No. Wait. I need to make this work. This is so lame.
More
This is so lame.
tech issues.
Give me the money gun. Give me the money gun. Wait.
Do you want to just
There we
like
go. Hell yeah. Nice.
let's
Oh,
go.
That was sick. What was that? 42 points? Take that any
Nice.
day.
Especially after yesterday, like NQ owed us.
Yeah.
Nice clean long.
Yep. NQ did us 30 yesterday. Damn it. Yeah, crazy that we didn't get any pullbacks on the 5-minute, actually. Literally.
Hey, was
nothing.
that on the was that on the challenge what am I
Yeah,
trying to say?
account.
Is it already here?
So we did take an accidental $700 loss when I traded the Zero Hero account during the New York stream. Unfortunately, I didn't do that on purpose. So that is made up for. Let's look at the stats here. So we're at $2,112 in profit with an 80% percentage, like win percentage. Yeah, that's what it is. I took this on 6 accounts, like 5 funded, like 150k funded, and then the rest was the 0 to hero.
Sick.
That was a clean move.
Such a nice move. Such a nice move. It's rare
Haven't
we get
had
these
one
like
of those. Yeah, I haven't had one of those in a long time actually. Like those clean push-ups.
so nice. Guys, it really sucks to stare at this, but oh well.
It is.
But I think it really is going for that it's gonna go for daily open, I think, and then we'll see what happens in New York later.
Yeah, but daily open, maybe even that level that Cheeseball's looking for, 772. That would be Asia highs up there.
Oh yeah.
Could be
potentially.
going for that, potentially. Let's see. Yeah, thanks, Kev. Appreciate you. Let's do the giveaway if we hit 380 likes. Let me refresh. We are at 369. Come on, guys. Smack the like button. We need to do a giveaway.
Come on.
Come on. LG, usually I trade 40 accounts at the same time. But whenever there are tech issues with like streaming and stuff, I just focus on one set. In this case, these 5 Tradeify 150k growth accounts. Because when there are tech issues, I know I tend to get angry, and if I'm angry, I shouldn't trade. So I wasn't angry at all today, but still, it's smarter to only trade one set when you know there's like it's not an optimal day based on the setup. Did we hit it?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let me refresh. 384. All right, guys. If you want to win a 50k growth account, all you got to do is hit the like button. You got to subscribe to the channel. And once I send the Google form into the chat, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you fill it out more than once and you win, you will get disqualified. Here it is. I'm going to spam the chat with that form, so you can't miss it. If you miss this sounds like a you problem. All right, here you go.
And by the way, guys, we're so close to hitting 60k subs. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that would also be epic if we hit that today.
Oh, that would be sick. I think during New York stream we will hit it.
I hope so. That would be sick.
Hey, Graphene made $935 on those longs. Nice, Graphene.
Nice.
Hell yeah. That's awesome. Harkira, what trade copy do I use? I use TradeSyncer to copy trade all accounts.
Thanks, Joker's keeping me locked in. You said stay disciplined. If it wasn't your setup, that's okay.
100%.
Thanks, Joker.
100%. Fully agree.
But I will update you guys because I do look until 6 a.m. New York time for my setup. So if I do get something after the stream, I'll post it on my socials. So
yeah, make sure to follow Celine on her socials. Celine, what are your socials again?
Celine.trades is my Insta, and then Celine Trades is my X.
There you go, chat. I put it in. Oh shit. No, that is wrong. The X is Celine Trades.
Oh,
Sorry,
no.
my bad. My bad.
Yeah.
Here you go.
That's me.
Look, chat, this is exactly why I set my targets 3 to 5 points lower. Look, my target was at 735, right? And we now pulled back 12 points from there. We did not reach daily open. Even though daily open is technically my target, I just set my actual target a little bit lower because this happens so often. Can it be that it still pushes through? Yes, absolutely. I'm actually thinking it will. But just going through that emotional stress, through that roller coaster of it didn't hit my target by like 3 points and now it's pulling back freaking 12, 15 points. I don't want that. So I rather miss out on these 3, 5 additional points, but instead I hit my target, you know? That's why I do this.
Yeah, it's so true. There's nothing worse than getting like almost to the TP and then it just completely retraces, because the market doesn't care about where your TP is sitting. It's not just gonna like go to it and then retrace. It's just, it could happen at any time. So it's always better to protect that. Yeah, for
100%.
sure.
100%. I would not like to still be in this. All right, JM, it's multiple firms, but the OG firm, the only firm that you need to trade with is obviously Tradeify. Honestly, like fastest payouts in the game, everything always works super smooth, really good support. I might be a bit biased to be fair, but Tradeify is just goated, honestly. Like I wouldn't stream for Tradeify if I didn't personally think that Tradeify is just fucking goated. There's nobody doing it better than we do, I'll tell you that.
100%.
All right. Let's do the giveaway, shall we? Who do you think is gonna win, Celine?
Yeah, let's do it. I hope not. Who's that guy yesterday that was trolling us? NQ Addict.
NQ Addict. Yeah. That would have been
Anyone
so funny if he won
Addict.
yesterday. That would have been so
I know.
funny.
You know
Alright,
what? Rick said the nicest thing. Rick, I hope you win. Rick said, loving the co-hosted stream, guys. Really going well. I look forward to them every day. Keeps me motivated.
Oh, hell
Thanks,
yeah.
Rick. We love having
Thanks,
you
Rick.
here.
100%. All right, Celine, you tell me when to spin the wheel.
Let's spin it. I actually can't see the screen right now.
Okay, I'll just spin it.
Do you want me to tell you when to stop?
It doesn't stop when I want it to stop it. It does that automatically. So the 50k growth account goes to Trader Ben FX. Trader Ben FX. Make sure to tag me in the chat really quick so I can for sure see you. Trader Ben FX.
Congrats.
Let's see. Where are you at, Trader Ben FX?
Is he here?
Let's see.
Come and collect your
Trader
prize.
Ben. There is a Trader Ben in the chat who says thanks. Let me check your username. It is Trader Ben FX. All right, congrats, Trader Ben.
Nice.
Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description, please, so we can reach out to you and send you your free account. Give us up to 7 days, please, to send you that, but you're going to receive it soon. So congrats again. Nice.
Congrats. Get that to a payout and let us know.
Hell yeah. So Celine, with 9:30 UK time coming up, any parting words?
Yes.
Anything you want to let the chat know? Any wisdom you have for them?
What should I say today? No, I think, guys, whoever is still running in the Grand Cup, you guys got to take it for the team now, because Nick and I are both obviously bottomed out and can no longer participate. But whoever's still in it, stay disciplined, guys. Trade your system. You still got, I think, 1 day left, right, until round one. Round one ends tomorrow.
Yeah, they could still enter. Round one enters next week. But
Yeah,
that's also
okay.
when the knockouts start. So you can still enter until tomorrow.
Yeah, so stay in it. If you have to reset, do it. But just shoot for the stars. You guys are doing so well already, so don't give up.
Hell yeah. All right, chat. Thank you so much for tuning in. We love you. Thanks for the support. Make sure to tune in to the New York stream today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, and then of course tomorrow at 8 a.m. UK time for another London session stream. We love you all. Appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.